Okay, so here's how to build your course planner. Firstly, you need to set up your course structure, so things like the names of any study parts or the times of the lessons. So on your staff page you click on course templates, and here you can see some courses that I've already set up. So in order to set up a new one, let's say, well, we've got a CAE here and a CPE, let's set up an FCE. So you click on add, put in the course name, so FCE, and here's where you put usually the times of the lessons. So I might have just one class in the morning. Let's say that's at starts at 9:15 and finishes at 11 o'clock. And then you might have a little break. If you want to add a slot after the break, then you just click on the add button. So it could be 11:15 to 1 o'clock. So you keep on doing that for each day. And then you might want to have more than one column in your timetable, because you might want to have something called homework and not just what they'll be studying in the lesson. So let's just say we are going to have that. Let's click on add column here. Give your columns a name. So this one could be called study. That's what they'll be doing inside the lesson. And this one could be homework. Okay, let's assume you don't have aims. Save your course. So you can see FCE's got 2 columns. So what you need to do now is assign a class to it. So in real life you'll have a list of all of your classes here when you upload your class lists. So the one that's available to us is intermediate, so let's click intermediate here. Are you sure you want to add this class? Yes, we are. And then it's ready to actually edit. So if we go back to the staff page, now we can start creating our weekly plans. So let's go to class plans, and we'll use intermediate. These are all of the classes that we've assigned so far. So we've assigned intermediate to FCE. Let's edit that plan. If you click on view students, you can see that a list of the students appear. Let's click on plan to start building that weekly plan. So it always starts in the current week, and to fill it in you go to edit. Anything that's in red is for the teachers to see, so the students won't see that in their view. That could be the page numbers of books or little memos that the teacher has to make to cut up cards and stuff like that. Anything that's here in the black is just visible to students. So let's create something for the students to see. So you could type in it. So you click on the plus to actually type something in. So it could be review the vocabulary from last week. And then you could put in a little teacher note. The teacher has to remember to create